This is the practice test for Excel 2013, chapters 6 through 11. And we've got a number of worksheets here down at the bottom, and each one looks like it covers a particular topic. All of the instructions are on the worksheet itself, and that's how the format will be for the test as well. Okay, so we want to take the stuff over here starting in A2 through D216. So let's go over and then down to the bottom and select all of that. And we want to format it as a table. And I forgot which one. I think it was medium, table style medium 2. And yes, it was. So click on OK. And that's going to give me some bold blue headings up here with blue background and black text, and then banded rows here. Conditional formatting. Apply conditional formatting to the text in column C. So by the text in column C, I mean the data. So we're starting here in C3. And we're going to select all of it. And then we're going to scroll up to the top here. And conditional formatting is on the Home tab. In the Styles group here, click on Conditional Formatting. And we want to highlight Cells Rules. And where they are equal to the word Hawaii, then I want to make the font color green from the standard colors row. So I'm going to have to go in here and do a custom format and go to my font tab and select the color, and I want green, there it is, on the standard colors row. So select that, click on OK, and click on OK, and every place where there's Hawaii over here, it should now be displayed in green. Insert a totals row at the bottom of the table, so I just need to be in the table somewhere. And go to my design tab here, and I want a total row down at the bottom. Okay. Delete any totals that are put there by Excel, which would be this one. It's adding up the sales rep number, which makes no sense. And what I want to do is count the number of cells in the destination column. So let's go to the bottom of the destination column, and we're going to click on the cell, and then click on the down arrow here, and I want to count. And now let's go back up, scroll up to the top here, and have it count the number of cells in the destination column. So we got 214. It ends on, there's something in every cell. It ends on row 216 and starts on row 3, so that should be 214, so that's correct. Let's do a Control Home to get back up to the top. Okay, now I want to sort the data by week, and rows with the same week should be sorted by destination. Okay, so let's put the cursor in here. That's going to be on my Data tab. If I want to sort on more than one thing, I should go to the Sort button here. And it says sort by week first, smallest to largest be ascending. And then I want to add a level, and it says that sort by destination in ascending order, A to Z, and click on OK. So now I should have them sorted by week here, and within week I should have them sorted by destination as well in alphabetical order. Do some auto filtering. Display only those rows where the sales rep is 59 and the destination is Hawaii or Alaska. Looks like there should be a space in there. So let's go back up to here, and I want the sales rep to be 59. So I'm going to turn all of them off and just choose 59. Click on OK. And then I want, now this is an ugly thing that happens when you do filtering. It ends up kind of collapsing your instructions here in the text box, but we can get them back again. And the destination is Hawaii or Alaska, so let's go here and turn everything off, and then return on Alaska and Hawaii, and click on OK. And that's what I should get for my results. And again, I got the same little problem over here. Just go and make this a little taller. And now I want to do some advanced filtering, which says use the rows below G2 to J2 for your criteria range, and L2 to O2 for your extract range, and then create an advanced filter that will extract all data from week 4 where the destination is Alaska. Okay, and so yeah, this is not going to work. I'm going to have to turn the order of these around here. I'm going to turn my filter off here, so this is row 20 because I've got so many rows collapsed here. So I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to go back to sales rep here, and I'm going to select them all and click on OK. And now also this stuff probably got moved way down because, so I'm going to do a Control X here to cut the whole thing out and then scroll up. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Accidentally hit the Control key while I was scrolling with the mouse wheel. Okay, and then I want to go up here and do a Control V and paste that in. Okay, so we're going to change around the order here. We're going to do the auto filtering last. And it reverts back to the original font, so I'm going to have to clean that up a little bit too. We're using 10-point Verdana, and the text is red. Okay. So the advanced filter, I want week 4, where the destination is Alaska. So week number is going to be 4, and the destination is going to be Alaska. Just type those in. And then we want to tell Excel that we're doing an advanced filter, and actually, I like to put the cursor in the data first, and then tell it we're doing an advanced filter. And if I put the cursor in the data first, it automatically selects my data for me. And then I want to apply, tell it what the criteria range is. Criteria range, got to include the headings here. And I want to copy it to another location, and the place I want to copy it to is the cells right under here. I'm going to select a few because it will make it bigger if it needs to. And click on OK, and it says the destination range is not large enough. Continue copying. Yes, I want to continue copying. Okay, and now it is giving me, how many do we have for Alaska? Quite a few. Okay. Then I want to use an advanced filtering function. So go to J7 and put a formula that will count the number of cruises from week 4 there to Alaska. Okay, so I want to do a decount. I'm using this data and this data. So I'm going to go to my formulas tab, and the D functions are not there. So I'm going to have to type in decount. Click on go, and there's my function. Click on OK. And it wants to know where my database is. Okay, well, my database is from here all the way down to, okay, and we don't want to include that bottom row. The field that I want to count, it doesn't really make a whole lot of difference, but this does have to be a numeric field. So I can't choose B or C, but I can choose either one, column A or column D. And we use the number of the column. So column A is column 1 in the table, and column D is column 4. I'll just put in column 1. And my criteria is going to be this stuff right here. And then click on OK, and it will come back and tell me that I have 17 records that are from week 4 that go to Alaska. And if I move this and just drag my mouse through all these rows here, you'll see down at the bottom I get a count of 17. So it's working correctly. It's doing the right calculation in the decount function. And now I can do the auto filter. So I want sales rep 59. The destination is Alaska, Hawaii. So let's go back here and go to my table tools. No. Must turn filter. Oh, I think filtering got turned off automatically. Let's go to my data tab and turn filtering back on. There we go. And what I want to do is I want to filter sales rep 59 and destination Hawaii or Alaska. So click on sales rep, turn everything off, choose sales rep number 59. And for destination, turn everything off and choose Alaska or Hawaii. Click on OK, and I get 11 rows. My text box got shrunk over here. That happens when you end up collapsing some data by doing an auto filter. And my answers also kind of disappeared there as well. So If I were grading this, I would have to turn the filter off and then go back up here and look and see what you had in these columns as well. And that's probably a good place to stop for the first video, so we'll stop right here and then we'll continue with video number 2.